Electric kettles have become a kitchen staple for their convenience and efficiency in boiling water. They come in various types, each offering unique features suited to different preferences and needs. Here's a look at the main types of electric kettles available on the market. 1. Plastic electric kettles. Pros: lightweight, usually less expensive, and come in various colors and designs. Cons: durability concerns over time, potential for water to acquire a plastic taste, and health concerns regarding BPA, though many are now BPA-free. 2. Stainless steel electric kettles. Pros: durable, no risk of water tasting like plastic, often come with more premium features, and retain heat well. Cons: can be heavier and more expensive than plastic models, exterior can get hot. 3. Glass electric kettles. Pros: aesthetic appeal with the ability to see the water boil, no risk of altering the taste of water, often come with LED lighting. Cons: fragile, can be more expensive, and the exterior can get very hot. 4. Ceramic electric kettles. Pros: unique and attractive designs, retain heat well, and do not impart any taste to the water. Cons: heavy, potentially fragile, and usually on the higher end of the price spectrum. 5. Temperature control electric kettles. Pros: allow for precise temperature settings for different types of tea and coffee, which can enhance flavor extraction. Cons: more expensive than basic models, potentially more complex to use. 6. Gooseneck electric kettles. Pros: precision pouring, ideal for pour-over coffee, and often come with temperature control. Cons: more expensive, smaller capacity than other types, primarily targeted at coffee enthusiasts. 7. Travel electric kettles. Pros: compact and portable, designed for travelers, can be used in hotel rooms or small apartments. Cons: small capacity, less powerful than full-size models, and may lack advanced features. 8. Smart electric kettles. Pros: can be controlled via smartphone apps, feature programmable temperatures and keep warm functions, and offer notifications. Cons: significantly more expensive, and require a Wi-Fi connection and a smartphone for full functionality. When choosing an electric kettle, consider factors like material, capacity, speed, temperature control, and price. Whether you're a tea enthusiast requiring precise temperatures or someone who appreciates the convenience of quickly boiling water, there's an electric kettle type to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.